Hey everyone, I got an old Ring doorbell here. I believe this is the original one and I'm gonna replace it. This video is gonna show you how to remove it because this is like 4 years old and pretty much I don't think you remember how you install it. I know I did it, so I just gonna figure it out how. Anyway, this thing came with the proper screwdriver or screwdriver to remove it, which I don't have it anymore, or it's somewhere in the house. I just don't know where I put it. Anyway, there's two screws here you need to remove, and I have it's a security screw, so you're gonna need a security type screwdriver. And let me show you what I have. I'm gonna use it's a star screw. So I got this set of security screws, various sizes and shapes, and the one I'm gonna use is this one. It fits right. I don't know exactly the size, but I just grabbed it. I went to like 5 of them that has the star screw, and this one fits. So hopefully you have this kind of screwdriver. All right, so let's uninstall the Ring doorbell. All right, so like I said, you use the security screwdriver. Remove the 2 screws here. You don't have to take it all the way out, just enough for you to pull the cover out, or the bell itself. I took it all the way out. Alright, there you go. So, ooh, get spider eggs in there. So what I did, you push up and pull, right? So this is basically, you just take this out. If you wanna remove, that might as well remove the plate too. The new one, this is too small, so you need another. This is just a regular screwdriver, so let me get that. Alright, so just gonna change the video from the removing the Ring doorbell to complete replacement of a newer one. How's that? So you're supposed to turn up the power on this low voltage wire. So you should do that. I didn't do that, so, but you should. It's recommended. Actually, you should do it. Now remove the plate. Now hopefully my new Ring doorbell has a same hole, so I don't have to drill another hole. That would be nice, more beneficial for me. The newer one, this thing connects directly to the Ring doorbell itself. Don't let those two touch. Okay, they're live right now. Anyway, let me get the cover plate. So this is the new, this is the plate for the new one. As you can see, the old one has you attach it here. The new one doesn't have it. All right, so just gonna, it's hopefully the whole matches. Make my life easier, and these match. You see one hole, a little bit off there. This is a little bit smaller. Let's see. Oh yeah, it match. I'll use the same screw. Why not? Now it says on the new one to charge the Ring doorbell first, even though I don't need the I'm not using the battery. I'm using the hardwired one, but it says is to charge it, so I just following the rules for the Ring. Looks like it's bending, so I'm gonna loosen this. I don't want the plastic to bend. That's better. Now it's straight, flush, not flush but straight. Because if I flushed it, the plastic it bends like this. I don't want it to bend. I want it straight, so I can put the Ring doorbell straight. Alright, so just gonna set up my Ring doorbell. I'm gonna show you how to finish this installation. Alright. So ideally, you would cut this and strip another cover up and start a new loop. But since I'm lazy, not gonna do it. So here's the new doorbell. It's already set up. So just loosen these two screwdriver. Let's loosen two screws. So just loosen the two screws right here. So, and since we're gonna tighten it this way to the right, so the loop, make it go to the right. So you got a good connection. Come on. I'll do the left side first. That came up. Bad, devil, bad. So alright, so like I said, it's gonna tighten this way, so the loop gonna go that way. See, that's good. Now the reason I recommend to cut the new ones, that way this thing doesn't break off. It might break off. So. I loosened too much again. Oh well, do it the hard way. Alright, so I found the screw that I dropped. Go there, come on. Amateur hour today. Alright, let me test the doorbell. So here, chime. All good. Now remove this plastic. That's for your security. We push this in. Up like that, sideways. Lift up and push down. There's a little gap here on the side, so I'm gonna unloosen the screw a little bit more. Made it too tight. And make sure that this is better. Now, where did I put the security screws? Okay. So this thing comes with their own screwdriver. The first one too, the old one had one, but I just couldn't find it. Like I said in the earlier. with it here. That's good. Now it's secure. Right? That's it. That's how you install the new Ring doorbell. Right? So that's how you remove and replace your ring doorbell from version 1 to version 2. Alright, that's it. I hope this helped. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day.